From the mountains of Solan to the villages of Maharashtra. Interactive radiophone learning to interactive e-learning.
तुम्ही काय करा सर तो क्वेश्चन म्हणून दाखवा आणि जेवढ्या मुलांची चुकीची उत्तर आहे त्यांना उभं करा.
In taking e-learning to rural India, this has proved more effective, more cutting edge than any other.
E-learning started in the urban schools maybe around 7 to 8 years back. We always had this in mind that we want a product that can be taken to the rural parts of India where e-learning is most essential.
मैंने भी एक चीज नोटिस की, मैंने भी जब कभी स्कूल में मोबाइल निकाला तो सारे बच्चे टेबल के आजू बाजू जमा हो जाते थे. तो मैंने नोटिस किया कि बच्चों को स्क्रीन ज्यादा पसंद.
In 2008, as the LED technology boomed, Pramod and his team could start working on a compact solution. The size of the product could be drastically reduced with negligible UV radiation.
So we came up with the interactive LED projector, because of which this interactive projector can convert any surface to touchscreen. So a teacher gets a feeling of standing beside a whiteboard or a blackboard and teaching like she does in a normal class, rather than sitting on a computer in a corner of classroom having a keyboard and mouse in her hand.
Operating on solar energy, e-Prashala is a technological marvel. It is compact, energy efficient, user-friendly and runs on negligible cost and maintenance. e-Prashala is associated with several software organizations that develop content based on the curriculum of Maharashtra State Education Board. They sell this content at a discounted rate so that e-Prashala is available to rural schools at an affordable cost. Exams have become fun. The e-Prashala team has devised an electronic examination system that ensures real-time assessment. Each student is given a remote control and the test is conducted on the interactive screen.
इम्पोर्टेंट चीज होती है कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट. और जो कंटेंट e-Prashala में उसका जो सॉफ्टवेयर है उसमें जो बेसिकली गेम्स है, टॉपिक पे गेम्स है, उसके बाद वो एग्जाम सिस्टम है, जो टेस्ट हम लेते हैं. इससे बच्चों का जो इवैल्यूएशन बहुत अच्छी तरह से होता है. हमें मालूम पड़ता है कि किन बच्चों को अभी ट्रीटमेंट देने की जरूरत है, किन बच्चों का अच्छी तरह से समझ में आया, ग्रास्पिंग हो गया.
700 to 800 schools have received e-Prashala purely through community and charity funding.
Okay, thank you.
A tiny example of how a grassroots innovation may contain the germ of turning into a social innovation wherein many minds can change.
पुढचं हा राहिला म्हणजे आपण एका अंतर्गत माहिती या पाठात घेणार. ओके.
Coming up next, Jai Kisan.